Here's my son. Where's Kiara? Ay, sus,
Hello, mother.
I love you. Yeah, it's so good to see you. Ang among Kiara po. Among Kiara po. She's from Chicago.
Okay.
We're so late.
He's so
You go.
Let's go.
You got daddy? You got daddy? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, he's so happy.
Oh, look at you. Ikaw siya dayon dong?
Yeah. What are you doing here?
You got the picture? And how about you? How's Chicago?
Good.
Oh, baby, come here, Kiara. Come here, Kiara. Yeah, hapit ako mabangga. Dali. Ay, sis. Dara akong mga babies. Kiara, come here.
That's so big.
Ay, sis, ginabuya. Nagamay mong kadung. Nagamay mong naong.
Think so?
Like
Why are we
young.
getting as short as Mama? Why are we like the same height?
Hey, don't say that.
Why are we like the same height?
Ah,
You're like 5'5".
you got daddy now? You get daddy?
Mine is literally right here.
Ernest is right next to you.
Made next to you also? Ernest is lost?
You're almost as tall as Marilyn. Cute.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at you. Yeah, we go straight downstairs. Oh, in the luggage.
Wow, look at it. You can just have one luggage and take your luggage without anybody
I was
noticing.
gonna go, and then Bianca's swing right there.
No, I was thinking also Bianca is not yet there because you said.
How
Okay,
much you
yes.
just got here?
But it's good to see.